How to send a voice memo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Voice Memos application on your phone. Once you're here, tap to open any folder. You can view all the voice memos in this folder. Tap on the voice memo you want to share from here. Then, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the memo. And then, select Share. You can view all the sharing options available over here. Choose any sharing method from the options. For example, Messages. As you can see, you will be taken to this page on the Messages app. You can now select the recipient and send the voice memo from here. Following these steps, you can easily send a voice memo on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.